Hello friends, today I am going to discuss how to find the area. In my last part, that is part 1, I gave the introduction of whole series which I am going to do. In coming series, I will discuss how to find the arc length. So in today's series, I will discuss how to find the area in Cartesian coordinate system. So let's start it. It is application of double integration. Here I am going to explain only Cartesian coordinate. Area we can find in different coordinates like polar coordinates and in different ways. But in this I am going to explain only Cartesian coordinate system. By this method you will be able to solve all SOM series examples. That also with the fastest way. So let's see first. If there are two functions, let f1 of x and f2 of x. This is f1 of x, this is f2 of x, and x is defined from point A to B. X is defined from point A to B. Then we know that area is equal to double integration 1 into dA. dA is what? dx into dy. The small portion of dy, small portion of dx. So here x is constant, so we can take the limit constant, and for y we can take function value because y is not constant. And always remember one rule, then when it is dy dx, first it is dy, then always draw vertical line. So I have drawn vertical line. Now see from where this vertical line is entering. It is entering from f2 of x and it's leaving from f1 of x. It's entering from f2 of x and leaving from f1 of x. So what will be our limit? It will be, actually let it be f1 of x, it's f2 of x. So what will be? It's entering from f1 of x and leaving from f2 of x. So the important point, key point was, when it is dy dx, then we have to draw vertical line. In Cartesian coordinate system, keep in mind that. Now when its function is in form of y, for example you are given x is equal to g of y function you are given, if you are given two function, then what you have to do? You have to draw that function. Here y, we are having y constant, y is from A to B, so outer will be dy. By we can judge that outer limit will be dy. Area is equal to double integration 1 into dA. dA is equal to dx dy. Here why we took dy outside? Because dy is constant. Always remember that when which limit we take outside, which is constant. So it's constant, so we took outside. Now it's dx. Always remember that whenever it's dx dy, draw horizontal line. So I have drawn the horizontal line. It's entering from g1 of y, exiting from g2 of y. So y limit of dx will be g1 of y. It's entering and exiting from g2 of y. It is very important point. So this was the concept where we have to use vertical line, where we have to use horizontal line. This method is very helpful to find the area. By this simple method, by these two ways, you will be able to solve all SOM series examples, which are around 40 to 41 examples, in which few are of arc length, few are of area. You will be able to solve. So this is going to be very useful to you. If you have any doubt, then please let me know in the comment section given below. Also, if you understood this method, then please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.